Have you ever thought about how your words, thoughts, emotions, and music affect the world around you? Dr. Masaru Emoto studied this and found something amazing. Words, thoughts, music, and emotions can change the structure of water. Dr. Emoto exposed water to positive words and positive energy like love and thank you. The water formed beautiful crystal-like shapes when frozen. But when the water was exposed to negative words or negative energy like hate or you're stupid, the crystals looked ugly and distorted. He believed this happened because words and emotions are forms of energy. He believed that emotions are energy in motion and can directly affect the external environment around us. Positive words and emotions can create an environment of happiness, laughter, and positive energy. He also believed that negative words and emotions can create an environment of anger, fear, and hostility. This idea also works with plants. Dr. Emoto demonstrated that plants grow better and stronger with positive words and certain types of music, but they can become weak with negative words, emotions, and different types of music. So how does all this relate to us as human beings? Our bodies are more than 60% water. If words, thoughts, emotions, and music can change water, imagine how they affect our internal environment and our mental health. Positive thoughts and emotions can make us feel calm and focused, while negative thoughts and emotions can make us feel stressed, angry, or fearful. Understanding this can help us in everyday life. Positive thoughts and emotions can improve how we study, play sports, our relationships, or handle stress. So, what kind of energy are you creating with your thoughts and emotions?